Hey, let me give you the inside scoop on the winner of our Evening for Earth image. Our students covet that spot to be on the poster, the tickets, and all of our social media. Take a look at our top 5 finalists. Evening for Earth is a hair and makeup show where students get to see their ideas come to life on the runway. This year's theme is all about the circus, from freak show to clowns and mimes. It's an evening you won't want to miss. Let me introduce you to the winner, Tillie, and her model and beautiful classmate, Tiffany.
Hi, I'm Tillie and I'm in the Estiology program. Pick my model. Honestly, I loved Tiffany's lips, how beautiful they were. Knew that she would be perfect for my look and what I wanted to achieve, and that's why I chose her. Came up with the concept for Earth Month because Aveda is very natural. Great looking skin, great looking hair. I definitely wanted to incorporate all of that with the punch of the circus theme. The circus part kind of threw me off. I had to do a little bit of research, so I looked on Pinterest and got a few ideas. Clowns with a lot of color. I even looked at using cedar because cedar is absolutely gorgeous this time of year, and I designed it to be my own. So I still continue to do the Aveda way and still continue to do the circus clown theme, but in natural looking colors. Eyebrows, you always want to follow that rule of here to the corner of your eye. That's where your brow should start. And then from here to, go ahead and open your eye. Here to the pupil of her eye, that's where her brow should arch. So you can like do little dot to dots for people that don't know how. And then from here to the corner of her eye, that's where her brow should end.
Wow, those were some great tips from Tillie. Well, everyone is welcome to the biggest show in town. We'll see you there on April 25th for Evening for Earth.